Welcome to drhoster.com Tech Guide. In this video, we are going to learn how to add signature in Webmail. Log in to your Webmail account. On your left side, click on Setting option. Here, you can find the Identities option. Click on it. Now, you can see your email address. Click on your email. Here, you will find the signature option. Write your signature and click on Save. After saving your signature, click on Compose an email. Here, you can see your signature automatically add to your email. In this way, you can add signature into your email. Thanks for choosing drhoster.com, your online business partner.